When water invades your space, the clock starts ticking, and Delray water damage repair costs can add up fast. Get help immediately. Delray Water Damage Pros are your local experts in emergency water damage restoration, offering a lifeline when your property is at risk. With a full spectrum of services, we're here to turn the tide on water damage and mold, restoring your Delray Beach home or business to its pre-damage glory. Time is of the essence, and we're ready around the clock. Our 24/7 emergency response means we're on call day and night, ready to tackle your water damage woes with speed and precision. The moment you detect a problem, reach out and we'll be there. Rest assured, our technicians are not just skilled, they're certified and experienced. We handle your emergency with the professionalism and expertise it demands, ensuring that your property is in capable hands. Navigating insurance claims can be daunting, but not with us. We work with all major insurance companies, smoothing out the process to secure the coverage you're entitled to for your restoration needs. Our arsenal includes advanced water extraction and drying equipment, targeting every last drop and preventing further damage and mold. We're equipped to bring your property back from the brink, efficiently and effectively. What sets us apart? Our unwavering commitment to you, our customer. From our rapid response times to our top-notch workmanship, we're dedicated to your satisfaction. Mold is a formidable enemy, but we're well armed to fight back. Our mold remediation services ensure your environment is safe and healthy, while our preventative advice helps keep future water damage at bay. In the face of water damage repair costs, every second counts. Don't delay. Call us now at 561-202-2304. Our team is standing by, ready to provide the professional restoration services you need. Delray Water Damage Pros may be your answer, so include us in your water damage restoration estimates. With our comprehensive services, including safe mold removal and free cost estimates, we're here to ease the burden and restore your peace of mind. Trust us to be your reliable partner in Delray Beach, delivering the quality service you deserve. Remember, we're just a call away at 561-202-2304. Don't let water damage wash away your comfort. Reach out now for a free water damage repair cost estimate.